Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Keurig K Elite is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly single-serve coffee makers on the market, offering a premium brewing experience for coffee lovers who appreciate convenience without compromising on taste. With its sleek design and advanced features, this machine is engineered to deliver a perfect cup every time, whether you're craving a bold dark roast, a smooth medium blend, or even a refreshing iced coffee. It's designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen, providing a quick and effortless way to start your day with your favorite brew, making it an indispensable appliance for busy mornings and relaxed weekends alike. Number 5. Keurig K Classic K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. Enjoy your favorite coffee just the way you like it. Select from popular brew sizes to get the strongest flavor or your preferred strength. With a large 48-ounce water reservoir, you can brew multiple cups without refilling. It's removable for easy refills, simplifying your morning. Save energy with the convenient auto-off feature. It's programmed to turn off after 2 hours of inactivity. Brewing is effortless. Just pop in a pod, choose your cup size, and enjoy fresh, delicious coffee in minutes. Get started right away with included K-Cup pods and a water filter starter kit. Ensure your beverages taste their best from the first cup. It brews your favorite K-Cup pod sizes, including 6, 8, and 10 ounces. Use the 6-ounce setting for the strongest brew. What we like. This machine offers the most popular brew sizes, perfect for a quick and easy cup. Its large reservoir means fewer refills, saving you precious morning time. If you prioritize simplicity and convenience for your daily coffee, this is the one for you. What people say. The Keurig K Elite coffee maker has a sleek design and a variety of features that make it a great addition to any kitchen. It brews coffee quickly and efficiently, allowing you to enjoy a hot cup of coffee in just a few minutes. The machine is also very easy to use, with a simple interface and intuitive controls that make it easy to brew your favorite coffee. Number 4. Keurig K Elite Single-Serve Coffee Maker. Introducing the Keurig K Elite, designed for coffee lovers who appreciate customization. Enjoy your favorite beverages exactly how you like them, every single time. With multiple brew sizes from 4 to 12 ounces, you can select the perfect amount for your needs. Plus, activate the strong brew option for a bolder taste. Craving iced coffee? Our special iced setting brews hot over ice, delivering a full-flavored, refreshing drink at the touch of a button. Need hot water in a hurry? The convenient hot water on demand button is perfect for instant soups, oatmeal, or your favorite tea. Enjoy fast and fresh brewed coffee in minutes, making your morning smoother. The large 75-ounce reservoir means fewer refills and more time for you. Your purchase includes a water filter handle and filter. This ensures that every cup you brew tastes its absolute best, free from impurities. What we like. Experience a stronger brew or enjoy delicious iced coffee with its dedicated setting. The hot water on demand button is a game changer for quick meals. If you're a versatile coffee drinker who enjoys both hot and cold beverages, or needs hot water for other uses, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Keurig K Elite coffee maker has a sleek design and a variety of features that make it a great addition to any kitchen. It brews coffee quickly and efficiently, allowing you to enjoy a hot cup of coffee in minutes. The machine is also very easy to use, with simple controls and a clear display that makes it easy to select your desired brew size and strength. Number 3. K&J Keurig Filter Replacement 12-pack. Enjoy a perfect brew every time with these replacement filters. They are designed to fit virtually all Keurig coffee machines, both new and old models. Our filters feature a special micromesh material. This ensures all the activated charcoal stays inside, preventing any clogs in your coffee maker. Experience a richer, better-tasting cup of coffee. These filters remove impurities, chlorine, and odors, thanks to the activated charcoal. We care about the planet, so we use minimal packaging for these filters. Each one is individually sealed to maintain freshness and protection. K&J offers highly effective filters for your coffee needs. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer support team is ready to assist you. What we like. These filters ensure a perfect fit for almost all Keurig machines, removing impurities for a better-tasting cup. They are individually sealed for freshness and come in eco-friendly packaging. If you're looking to maintain the quality of your coffee and reduce waste, these filters are a great option. What people say. The Keurig K Elite coffee maker has a sleek design with a brushed metal finish. It offers multiple brew sizes, including 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounces cups. The strong brew button allows you to increase the strength and taste of your coffee. Number 2. Keurig K Cafe Coffee, Latte, and Cappuccino Maker. Enjoy your favorite K-Cup pods brewed as coffee, or transform them into delicious lattes and cappuccinos. You can even brew a concentrated shot for a perfect base. This machine features a built-in milk frother that works with various milk types. It's also dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Use the shot button to create a concentrated coffee shot, perfect for crafting both hot and iced lattes and cappuccinos. Choose from 4 different cup sizes, ranging from 6 to 12 ounces, to perfectly match your preference. Want a bolder taste? Activate the strong brew option to enhance the intensity and flavor of your coffee. The generous 60-ounce water reservoir means you can brew up to 6 cups before needing a refill, streamlining your morning. What we like? Go beyond basic coffee and create delicious lattes and cappuccinos with its built-in frother. The coffee shot capability allows for concentrated brews, perfect for specialty drinks. If you love cafe-style beverages at home and want a machine that does more than just brew coffee, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The Keurig K Elite coffee maker has a sleek design and a strong brew option that makes coffee taste richer. It offers multiple brew sizes, including a strong setting for a bolder flavor, and a hot water on-demand feature. The iced coffee setting is a great feature for making refreshing cold beverages. Number 1. Keurig K155 Office Pro Commercial Coffee Maker. Introducing a coffee maker designed to impress, offering features that everyone will appreciate. Its sleek design complements any office space. Navigate effortlessly with a vibrant, full-color touchscreen. You can easily customize brew temperature and set programmable auto on-off times for your convenience. The spacious 90 ounces removable water reservoir allows you to brew up to 18 cups before needing a refill. Enjoy continuous brewing without frequent interruptions. Customize your coffee experience with 4 distinct brew sizes, from 4 ounces to 10 ounces. Whether you prefer a strong or milder taste, it caters to every preference. Designed for practicality, it features an easy drain system for the internal hot water tank. This makes transport and storage incredibly simple and hassle-free. What we like? This machine boasts an advanced touchscreen with adjustable brew temperatures for a customized experience. Its unique drain and store feature makes it ideal for transport. If you need a commercial-grade machine with advanced controls and portability for an office or shared space, this is the top contender. What people say. The Keurig K Elite coffee maker has a sleek design and a variety of features that make it a great addition to any kitchen. It brews coffee quickly and efficiently, and the multiple brew sizes allow for customization to your preference. The strong brew button is a nice touch for those who prefer a bolder cup of coffee. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.